wabarakatuh. Hey guys, welcome back to Gallery Zaz. My name is Shakira and I am from Indonesia, and today I'm going to pick up my cousin from the train station. Names are Jamitra and Granada. They are riding a fast train from Jakarta to my hometown Bandung. Let's see how they're doing in Jakarta right now.
Hi guys, my name is Granada. I am Shakira's cousin, and now I want to go to Shakira's house. I'm at this train station now. See you on the train.
Because there's a traffic jam, I'm going to a shortcut. Even though the road is narrow, the view is beautiful. Meanwhile, in Jakarta, my cousins are going to the train.
Guys, now I'm ready to go to Bandung. I'm already inside the train. Bye.
Now me and my grandma are already arrived. So the arrival is actually right there. Let's go.
Assalamualaikum. Ih, cantiknya. Ya.
So now because I'm already together with my cousin, we are going.
Where are we going?
To the mall?
To the mall. Yes, we are already in the mall, right?
Yes.
Let's go.
We are gonna watch a movie called Aquaman and the Lost Kingdom, I think. But now before we watch a video, we are gonna eat food.
Lunch.
I mean lunch.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go. We're eating in a cafe called Jakarta. It's right there, over there. Dapur Penyet serve Sundanese food, which is our favorite food. Pengen lihat ceweknya.
Kamu mah nonton Wonka. Mima, Jani, Ate nonton Wonka. Ini Kia, Dada nonton Aquam.
Nontonnya yang semua umur ya. Ini mah belum pernah nonton bioskop, belum. Sekarang nonton sama dia.
diajak.
Juga diajak siapa? Mama nonton bioskop sama siapa? Mima sama siapa di rumah? Oh, masa sendiri berani?
Finally, we watched the movie. The movie is good. We're all having fun. Alhamdulillah. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys like the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.